This is H4 time frame of gold. The trend started from 1721, which made top at 1877, made it a retracement last week at 1760. This retracement first made bottom near 61% retracement of complete trend at 1781. Then it tested the support at 1760, and last week price closed above 61% retracement. 1781 was support where all of the seller take their profit and new buyer are taking entry. On this time frame, our first horizontal support is 1760. If price go below this horizontal support, then we can expect trend reversal, retest of 1721 support. This 1760 support has been tested three times. Now it has become a major support. Our first resistance is 1806, near 38% retracement of this bearish retracement. Retracement can go up to 61% retracement at 1833. So these buyer who are buying from 1781 to 1760 have their first profit target at 1806 up to 1833. Since 1760 support is not broken, price is still bullish, and last week Fed said soon they will increase tapering speed. But NFP data on last day changed everything. So new coronavirus cases in New York, weak NFP data have turned market psychology from bearish to bullish. If this new variant of coronavirus force lockdown in major economy, even India announced lockdown, then Fed cannot raise interest rate. Technically, price is still bullish because 1760 support, but fundamental now depend on next FOMC meeting and new coronavirus variant. So these two things, the confusion about next FOMC and coronavirus cases can push gold up to 1833. If price go above 1833, then we can expect this trend started from 1721 is ready to make new higher high. If you see 1 month price action of gold, then on 3rd November price started at 1760. On 2nd December price ended at 1760. In the middle 16 November it made a top of 1877. This was complete price manipulation. First 15 days it goes up, then next 15 days is went down. On left side, inflation was sending gold up. On right side, Fed faster tapering sent gold down. Based on price action, 1760 and 1806 are key support and resistance. To get more information, if 1760 support or 1877 high breaks, where price will go, we will go to weekly time frame. On this time frame, we have this chart pattern AVCDE triangle. The new wave, the wave C started after wave E of triangle, can make retracement back up to 1830, then make new lower low. This chart pattern become invalid if 1877 resistance break. If price trade below 1877 high and this upper yellow trend line, the next bearish wave have its first projection target at 1566 and next at 1464. So all of the seller who are selling at upper trend line have their profit target at 1566, which is confirmed by Fed. Now he has said inflation is not temporary. The current Fed chair is not a legend. The politicians behind him are running the Fed. Biden's coordinated attack on oil has confirmed Biden want to control inflation before next year start. Since the Fed had said inflation is not temporary, all of the buyers who were buying gold against inflation at 1680 level, some of them have taken profit, some of them had completely dumped their gold, and some of them are waiting until Fed start raising interest rate. If Fed increase tapering speed and they raise interest rate next year, then it is bearish for gold and it is ready to go 1566. If new coronavirus variant, then Fed cannot increase interest rate and this will be bullish for gold. So now everything depends on 1877 resistance and next FOMC meeting. On this time frame, our resistance zone is 1983 to 2075 and support zone is 1375 to 1451, and our fifth retracement support of this complete trend 1680 to 1560 and 1439. If 1680 level breaks, then they will target 1560. These support and resistance zone are target for bulls and bears. On monthly time frame, if price go above 1834, then you can expect retest of all-time high 2000 level, or if 1680 level breaks, then you can expect retest of 1560 and 1451 support. The next FOMC meeting December 14-15. This is the last FOMC meeting of this year. So all of the seller and buyer are waiting for this event. Before this meeting, if coronavirus increase, then Fed cannot increase tapering speed. If they do not give clear answer, then next meeting is January 25-26. Based on this key event and fundamentals, before March, either gold go 1900 or 1560. The Elliott wave count of this trend from 1677 to 1877 is available on TradingView. You can read there. Last week on H1 time frame, price already made bottom. During NFP, it only made retracement. Then after Biden's speech, it made new higher high. So this new trader who have taken entry one day before NFP and after NFP will wait for next FOMC meeting. Wake again on weekly time frame. If you do not know fundamental of gold and don't understand this news, then your focus should be 1877 resistance. This complete month December, you will see who is more powerful, the Fed or coronavirus. If Fed could not control inflation, then it will break 1877 and retest 2000 level. If they control coronavirus, then Fed will increase tapering speed and they will raise interest rate in March 2022, and this will push gold up to 1566.